everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, welcome. In today's video I'll be sharing with you how I decorate for Ramadan 2025, and we are going to do that on a budget, of course. I hope you enjoy today's video, and Ramadan Mubarak.
يا نبي سلام عليك يا رسول سلام عليك يا حبيب سلام عليك صلوات الله عليك يا نبي سلام عليك يا رسول سلام عليك يا حبيب سلام عليك صلوات
Okay, so we are done with the cleaning. Next is the fun part, to decorate. First, I'm gonna take this wall art I have on the wall, so I can add in my new wall art. It's time for this to go. So I got this Arabic wall art from a local boutique. Very beautiful, I love it. And I will add 2 decorative pillows on this couch and a throw blanket on the side. Under the TV stand, I will add 2 decorative boxes and 3 decorative coffee tables. And I have another trick that I'm going to do on this side. This is my Tom Ford book case. I'm going to put my Roku TV thing in there to hide it. And I also found this sign, 99 names of Allah, and I'm going to place that in front of the Google speaker. It's a speaker. And now add this decorative piece to complete this side. This side I have 2 decorative pillows and a Lombard pillow and a vintage expired from, this is from Amazon. The throw blanket from Amazon. Moving into my coffee table, I add my Tom Ford book, and now I add two candles. And these are LED battery operated candles. And now I found this sign, wooden sign, Ramadan decorative. And I also add my vintage 400 vessel. Into that, add some greeneries. I have, I believe, 5 or 6 stems in here, some daisies, and here you have to play with this arrangement to your liking. So as you can see, I'm playing with it until I get what I want. I love that. And moving on to my accent chairs, I found 2 pillow covers, Ramadan Kreem. This is from Amazon. I love them, they're very stunning. Very cute. This my side table. I borrowed this lamp from my bedroom, and I'll just add basket and a throw.
عليك يا نبي